What's up everybody, welcome to a new analysis video. Okay, so in today's video I'll be breaking down VIX75. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find all my support and resistance levels. So as you guys can see at the bottom, okay, we have our major support level, right? So what we want to do after that is we want to find our major resistance level. So for example, we can see over here that we had our major resistance level over here. Let me just zoom in. So you guys over here, you guys can see that we have our major resistance level. Okay, so once you're done finding your major resistance level and support level, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to find all key levels. For example, where the market has played around. So for example, over here, what we can see is we can see that here is a key level. Okay, over here, right? Check this out. You guys can see the reason why I'm saying that is a key level is because when we zoom in, we can actually see that the market has been playing around at this level. Okay, so we had like 1, 2, 3 touches. What does that mean? It means that the market has been playing around at that level, and what it basically means is that the market can reverse from that level again in the future, or it can continue, okay, from that level again, right? For example, if it breaks above this level, it can continue, right? So that is why I'm marking that as a support and resistance level, okay, which is also a key level. So over here I'm just gonna add my horizontal line again, and what you guys can see over here is that most people who thought that this was a breakout, right, got faked out. Okay, and the reason why I'm saying this is because if you look over here, okay, most people thought that there was a major resistance level, okay, but when we zoom in, we can actually see over here that the market decided to break above that level, right? And what happened? It broke above that level. Now most people would have bought over here, okay, and if you had bought over here, you probably have blown your account now if you had a small account. So what you were supposed to do was you were supposed to zoom out the chart completely, right? Draw a trend line, okay, like this. Okay, check this out. Draw a trend line, and look at what happened. When we draw a trend line, we can actually see that the market decided to come back from this major resistance level, break below this key level, and went down, right? So the reason why most people blew their accounts is because when we look closer, okay, we can actually see that the market didn't break above that level, okay? We were supposed to wait for a breakout over here. You can't just make use of support and resistance levels. You also need to use trend lines, rectangles, and everything like that, okay? So for example, if you are taking a trade over here, the next time you trade this pair again and you see something like this, draw a trend line, right? So that you don't get caught out. That's what the market makers do, right? They want people to think that this is actually a breakout, but in the meantime, it's a fake out. For example, like this over here, most people blew their accounts, right? But if you were other person on the other end, okay, you were clever, right? You would have waited, right? You need to be patient for this, because if you had bought over here, what happened? Boom, check this out. You thought it was going back up. No, it didn't go back up. It came down, right? And then it broke below this level over here, right? So check it out. You guys can see this is where it broke below, right? So what can we see at the moment? We can actually see that the market is currently trending in a downtrend, right? So let me just take out none. I already have a trend line. I'm just going to draw this trend line like this, okay? So what the market can do at the moment is that the market can come back to this level, right, where it broken out, right? You can come back to this level, retest over here, then go down. But the thing is, we can't just use one time frame, right? We need to go to lower time frames. For example, I'm going to scale down to the 15-minute time frame right now, okay, and see what entries we have over there. So I'm just going to show you guys this level over here. You guys can see on the 15-minute time frame how price consolidated. So it was actually easy for us to trade this. If you know what I'm talking about, you could have just did this, right? Breakout over here, wait for the retest up. Same thing happened over there. Check this out. To the people who got caught out, at the next move, this is what you were supposed to do. Check this out. Boom, went down, right? So at the moment, what we can see is that price has been playing around at this level over here. It has been consolidating, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a key level, okay, because this is where price has consolidated. So the same thing happened over here, right? Most people thought that this was consolidation, and if price breaks above this resistance level over here, it's gonna go up, right? But the thing is, it didn't go up. So as you guys can see over here, okay, it broke out of this resistance level, okay, which is a key level, went up a bit, boom, back down, right? And why is this happening? Because the market makers want you to think that no, the price is going to go up, most people is going to buy, and if you had bought there, boom, you'll blow your account, right? So you need to be cautious of these, the people who's making this charge, right? The banks and all of those people, the bigger people, right? We just retail traders, we don't decide where the market goes. Now these people invest billions of dollars to make sure that the market goes up or down, right? So you need to be cautious, okay? So check this out. At the moment, what we can see is that the market is currently moving in a downtrend, right? And it actually broke out of this level. So what we can expect from price is we can expect price to come back, right? So let me just add my lines, okay? Arrow line. Price can either come back to this level, okay? Retest this trend line and then goes down, okay? But what it can also do is, if we zoom out the chart, okay, we can actually see what price can do. If price decides to break below the support key level over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until price retests that level again, right? So as soon as price retests that level, we're gonna enter with sells, right? Because on the 1 hour time frame, we already know that the market is trending in a downtrend, but you can't just wait, okay? For example, you can't just wait until it breaks below this key level over here, then expect to enter. As you guys can see, it broke above this key level over here, okay, but then it came back down. So you need to draw a trend line, right? For example, if price decides to break below this trend line, okay, this key level over here, we're gonna draw a small trend line, okay, like this. Let's just say, for example, price does this, plays around over here, we're gonna draw a trend line, wait until the trend line has been broken, then we take an entry, because sometimes price can do a fake out. For example, it's gonna come below this key level over here, then go back up, right? But if that doesn't happen, right, what price can do is price can come back to this trend line, our major trend line, okay? Price can come back to our major trend line, and then it can go down, right? So you need to be cautious, right? So, but at the moment we're looking for sells, right? Because what we can see is the 1 hour time frame has been showing us that the market is moving in a downtrend, and on the 15-minute time frame we can actually see what happened over here, right? Price decided to break below that small pattern, right, which is a continuation pattern because the market's already moving in a downtrend. Check this out, you see? So be cautious of this. If price decides to break, go up again, right, retest this trend line, boom. What it can also do is it can break above this, right, and retest this level over here, then go down, right? So you need to be cautious. So there's two movements you can do. It's either it's gonna come below this key level over here, retest this level, we draw a trend line, boom, down, or it can go up, right? So be cautious of this, guys. Do not let the market fool you, right? Do not let the market makers fool you and enter without extra confirmation, because at the end of the day, if you do that, you will blow your account. So thank you for watching this video. If you find any value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.